I am here to help you to reconnect yourself with nature in a new and exciting way, and for you to help others to reconnect with nature in this new energy, in this new time, and especially at this moment, at the beginning of March 2025. This is the beginning of new energies. It is a beginning of the re-emergence of humans' connection with nature. And we have waited a long time for this, and we are excited and profoundly grateful to reconnect with you all, to have the unity re-emerge and reignite in a new and exciting and beautiful way. But as the world lifts, unites and awakens, people are realizing that there is a better way, a richer way, a way full of love, reciprocity and truth, that we have held wisdom in nature, awaiting the rebirth of the human connection with us. And we are now so gloriously excited that this is happening. It is beginning, and we are at the forefront of this new way of communicating and living and learning from nature, as we then learn from you.